Flash flooding struck Arequipa, Peru, again yesterday, marking the second time in 3 days. The heavy rainfall overwhelmed the city's drainage system, causing streets to transform into torrents of rushing water. Homes and businesses were inundated, leaving residents stranded and in urgent need of rescue. Authorities reported at least 2 fatalities, with several others injured and dozens displaced from their homes.
Se desembocó otra vez, se desembocó. Miren. La casa está a punto de hundirse.
Emergency teams have been working around the clock to provide aid and evacuate vulnerable populations. The city's infrastructure suffered significant damage. Roads were washed out, bridges became unstable, and vehicles were swept away by the force of the floodwaters. Local hospitals are dealing with an influx of patients, while power outages and communication breakdowns have further complicated rescue operations. Citizens shared shocking images and videos on social media, highlighting the severity of the disaster and calling for immediate assistance. Meteorologists warn that the heavy rains may continue in the coming days, exacerbating the risk of additional flooding.
Acá hay un muro. Casi.
Puta madre. ¡Uy! ¡A la mierda! ¡A la concha de su... ¡A la mierda, huevón! ¡Mira! ¡A la concha de su madre! ¡A la mierda, huevón! ¡Uy, mira, bro!
Authorities are urging residents to remain vigilant, avoid flood-prone areas, and follow evacuation orders promptly. The repeated flooding in Arequipa underscores the urgent need for improved urban planning, resilient infrastructure, and disaster preparedness in Peru. International aid agencies are also monitoring the situation closely, ready to provide humanitarian support if necessary. The tragic loss of life and extensive property damage has left the community grappling with the reality of natural disasters and the critical importance of preparedness for extreme weather events.